The Renault Zoe key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Replacing it is simple and can be done at home. First, locate the seam on the fob, typically on the sides or back. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to carefully open the case, avoiding scratches. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Finally, snap the case shut and test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. Ensure they work within range. CR2032 batteries typically last 1 to 2 years, but cold weather can reduce their lifespan. Renault's My Renault app now provides battery depletion alerts and troubleshooting guides. Consider eco-friendly rechargeable coin cells or recycle old batteries. The CR2032 remains the standard for Zoe fobs. Renault is moving towards smartphone-based keyless entry, potentially reducing battery reliance. Future fobs may integrate wireless charging or solar panels. If your fob includes a physical key blade and you're unsure, seek professional servicing to avoid damaging anti-theft mechanisms. Always test the fob after replacement to prevent ECU warranty issues from faulty installations.